It has been a busy morning. I had a lot of unexpected work to do, but now we're gonna give massages. We're gonna give massages. But yeah, we're going for a Thai massage. Hashtag when in Thailand. But Chaz kind of freaked me out because he was like, oh, you know it's gonna hurt, and I don't know, is it supposed to hurt? But he showed me a video of someone doing it and it looks quite acrobatic, so we'll see. Hi! So yeah, it's good, I'm excited. We're going. And then I think we are going to, oh, are we gonna come back here?
It's right
Oh,
here.
okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the temple, to a temple, maybe one more temple. Oh, and to a park, right? There's supposed to be like a local park that's really nice. And then dinner. Yay! Pancakes of yours. Hello. So we are at this cafe that 3D prints your face onto a pancake. Chess saw it on a blog, and it looked really fun. And the girl who wrote about it said that it was something that she had found out about, right? And was like saving it for like her multi-week trip. It was like the last thing she did before leaving Thailand. She said it was a good time, so we thought we'd check it out. It's a little gimmicky, but I'm excited. And I've never actually seen like 3D printing like live, so I think it'll be cool. Hold your pancake up.
Let's do it together.
We'll hold it up and let me get the shot first. Ooh, it smells good. Ah! Ooh, I can see it already. Ah! meaty.
It's you. That one was really good. Ooh, I bet you like those stools, don't you?
I do actually.
What do you mean actually? I know your style. I know you like.
Good pal. Share with everyone why you're annoyed.
I'm done with this right now. I'm just done.